Okay, yamo bibia kwaba mfa emra GH Live Studio. Aye o number one channel always be a update you efa ye Ghana Premier League ho. Now ye di ewruma enso edeko Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Camp. Ni esi Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko Biano. Ana yedi nyina enso etimi edi ebro. Mese also be subscribe to the channel so nya subscribe ya. Obe like na wa comment na bibia enso aye kama ewo hasemedin ede nanaba kwa migration se room say de na ye de Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho nkomo ana ye de ebre ene the last training session and also ekoso omo edi ewura game omo ene Pando Heart of Lions and so edi ekwa akosi eni na Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebetu Nyankopon ya adom china no pa ana betu because yewura otumfo wo se tutu edi ato omanim se eni kwan se team no enso etu enumre bi anti china no pa na team no etu afri ha se ya omodi omani be kire Pando na ene last training session e course no ana yedi mo update edi bro the course or training grounds ene nana apenkra kontomponi afere hene nana apenkra oye adwuma pa na ene me say coach Akwesi Apia and the technical director edi Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo edi omani ekire training grounds intensive meeting ekoso na meeting no ne course wo mbia no merebeto wanim enso ewa hase ena die ne course ewo training grounds before see be wurem no message so be subscribe obe like na me say wa join yen utie ne ekoso no o join wi a na wa share video no na onua nya bi ahwe o share wi a na wa like wa comment na wa do adwenkyere enso ato ho ama bibia enso aye kama ewo ahase na ene training grounds no team no ebedru ye na America on say team no dey bedru at first on be bompae omo ye omo prayers wie ya because omo nyina be hia na omo atwa kanku na omo bompae omo bompae a omo be yetri no omo ntimi yetri ni no na omo so akodag out na bibia aye kama na ene omo komrika nyina wie ye no tutu mrika no ene omo san so bobo te se ne nra omo eye wo training grounds no omo chemu tu na omo chemu no ebi bofa ene ebi bofa omo bo first half wie kobo second half na first half no ba na wie ye no meeting koso e koso with two players ene coach Akwesi Apia na Malik Jabel and so account technical director papa no anyini now so anytime bia kotoko eye training bia no otimi ekoho na ono so ekohwe mabibia enso etimi eye kama ewo honom na ene training section course no na eye tactical training section physical and near the coach ogum di remo training grounds no na eye super eno me de bebrew enso ewo honom megusu a me toto maako me tu maako enso ede ebro ene 4 youth players ana ewo training grounds ma me famfiri hanko 4 youth players mihu abranten didi avoka vetos ewo honom Solomon Kwakusa na ono so ewo training grounds na ono so eye training na mihu player ne din edi nana boy no oni bone bopa ono ote kodoko training grounds wa kire hwa na otenti no odo omo pa on froka ni bi enko camp dabi ono de hwa ana ote enti ono so eye training ewo ho ana one player enso na ono so eka ho a ene omo ye training no ema bibia enso eye kama Ali na ono so ewo training grounds ono so be ka senior team no ene players omo ntimi anye training ewo training grounds Akwesi Asante anya full training okoko mrika ni bi wa anya full training Lord Amwa anya training ewo honom ti ene ye hu Lord Amwa Saka Dawda enso anye training I can confidently say Saka Dauda will be out of the game or of the match. Ti Nyankopɔn yɛ adom a Saka Dauda game akɔtɔkɔ ɛkɔ akɔbɔ no. Ɛnɛ wanyɛ trainer enround so yɛkɔdu training ground saa na Saka Dauda ɛni hɔ nti no. Kɔtɔkɔ team no ɛmfa Saka Dauda ɛnkɔ. Ti woyɛ kɔtɔkɔ fan a Saka Dauda anhwɛ na game no wankɔ because 2 training session akɔ so ɛnra ne nyinaa no abrante no ɛntimi anjoin ne training no ɛnso ɛwɔ Adako Gyaakye mede mu update ɛnso ɛde ɛbrɛw na ɛnɛ team no training ɔmo yɛyɛ no menka sɛ na ano ɔden ɛno na training na team no ɛyɛ nyinaa ɛyɛ kwan a ɔmbɛfa so a ɔmbɛyɛ sharpness level no ɛbɛkɔ so ɔmo restart player ɔmo start game no na ɔmo bɔ de akɔ a baabi ɔmo de bɛfiri aseɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛhyɛ aseɛ ɛwɔ mfimfini anaasɛ akyire anaasɛ bia right back left back baabi a ɔmo bɛ start bia no baabi ni baabi akɔtɔkɔ ɛbɛ start but yɛn mpɛ sɛ yɛde bɛba abɔnten ti baabi ɔmo bɛ start no even sɛ foul crampo na sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo start na ɔmo pass de kɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ some short time no Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no ɛnso etimi edru the final third of the opponent edura ni 18-year boss ma otimi ɛhyɛ goal ɛwɔ hɔ nti ɛnura training no na ɛyɛ goals and also the same thing ana epie mu ɛwɔ Kotoko because fans na complain about Kotoko nowadays no chances mo create but goal scoring no enso akwakoye buachi bi din a affected team no ye papa ntenim hofo no omo eye adwuma se de be ya bibia enso ebe kama ene Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo players no especially menko the goalkeepers enso side no obia enso etimi eye trainer bibia enso ekoso oho goalkeeper ne din ede Frederick Asare Abrantia ne din enso ede Mohamed Kamara Chum Benjamin and Fatau Seidu na omo enyina enso ewo training ground sa omo training ye ema bibia enso eye kama ene people are saying something about Baba Yaya nansi ye bench no na ogum start Emmanuel entry and a meeting na course training grounds medical makachro me the ho update ti bebro and answer me ka ho asem di achro and Baba Yaya training no na super but okum ekuso o training Baba Yaya when finishing because fans no any genie or you know how or jibo no opushi opidi pia defenders no di pia wo finfin ho no e de call the opponent ni 18-year boss ni mo nti ene na abrante ndi Baba Yaya enso agurama a oye training fa ni finishing enso ehon pa ewo Kotoko training grounds a yede mo update enso edi free ho edi ebrew ewo channel yi so na enkomodidie ba ko a medi ho course ewo training grounds enso nie ene Kotoko esanso start set pieces ni bi na uko Kotoko training grounds a eya only 2 players and training was outside no and on the field of play no ye nyina ye hu se Patrick Asiedu ene Abrante Adedin enso ede Daniel Adrana JT ena omo training on that side ne pa and the 2 players enso ewuram a omo se adwuma no people are saying say Abrante Adedin Samba O'Neil and starting for goal scoring enka ne ball all body work Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko me say Abrante no the performance no eso sene Ghana Premier League na yebo no ano den me de sana me ka no me say wan so wo hwe me no ebia sana won so yede oti ase ana ase wo hu no Samba O'Neil the performance what done a deal Ghana Premier League anymore. Very super young canesa. Something to do with that, but I'm talking about Samba O'Neil. Now, Samba O'Neil performance for training. Medical get to when you say, or you train the crampo training grounds, one show your back say. match day, but na match day. The seriousness with training grounds no, the seriousness of match day no, the same thing and brand also a show during the match days, and so our training grounds matches more the makotoko na ene na also a training no our set pieces nti ebia say bedroom rebi na kotoko ebo free kick bi na on say sambo na oginachire na obobia. Don't be surprised. And how our ball no we a goalkeeper na demu a na say samba ginachire masa shasi nesu shasi nesu pa ana me hu Kwame Poku ana ono so eye sa adwuma no anti sisi ya kotoko ebi we wadwen se hu Patrick Asiedu ne style of the ball your friend is saying ne set piece and ne fouls any corner kicks ni bia start so say there are some players bia ogum include wo mo enso e was set pieces e wo crop bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko omo training grounds na ene free kick bia Patrick Boshe ye no na me jira me bom nsem se coach ogum efia no ho dimri gidi no ko Patrick mu na training grounds head there players na de ani gie ana ewura game no mo nti we supporter de makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko onzo fa ani gie support team no na game na omo no faboa na bibia enso enye kama Joseph Ablo a full training at the Makotoko. The whole of this week, the training na why biano na a full training session. And so yedimun komo animal update. And so at the Ebro way, ebe Kotoko timuno ama almost se Kotoko e chido and a threat edema opponent. It is gonna be a threat. Because why a threat the amount because sisi an Kotoko defense ni nyina no eya Kwesi Asante ene Lord Amoa enko na enye fit but pe niami kundu cramp no Kwesi Asante gusu a ono so e training kakranka because court de ne de era to nche even Sunday no Wednesday no you Emmanuel Quarter na wayi crutches no de gu ha onante normal kakra bibia enso ebefa edi ama apprentice no na ene training no course wie ye e training grounds no nye course ni coach ani din enso ede Akwesi Apia a ne mfonyi eda screen so a o hwe ni na coach no within say omoye training no first half of the training no we share Emmanuel entry share Branton Didi Baba Yaya na wa him coach Akwesi Apia okokofa Sudan team no how a obono homodin enso e wo Sudan team ni mu no ene ofres how two players no ene mo tena se ye ene ono mo di nkomo efa nie esase omo eye ewo midfield ho na etimi ebo team no manipulation na ono ye benchi Branton din ede Baba Yaya na ya ma Emmanuel ntwan de abo it coach no ehia wo mo addition with technical director din ede Malik Jabel omo ehia wo mo a omo no mudi nkomo na training ni nyina ba na wie ye no na nkomodidie no be more than 10 minutes more than 10 minutes our training grounds na training ni nyina ba na wie ye no ana mu coach Akwesi Apia ene Malik Jabel no mu gina ba bi di nkomo efa kwa team no e was omo winning league because now no baby no Gold Stars edi Kotoko achi papa enti ene nkomo e course no nyina ye adwen a omo eka bom ni players no omo commitment o so mo commit omo ho edi wura games omo bo 10 matches aka omo anim no teams ni bi ebenya free 3 points a Kotoko enya sa point ni bi I don't see ɛwɔ sɛ kɔtɔkɔ team no ɛde neɛden ne aniberɛ ɛbɔ ɔmo games because Nations FC bɛbɔ nsuatɛman no sisi ɔmo nka league ne ho bio. They will give them 3 matches, 3 points, 3 goals. Lucky. Your friend is saying, Bebeni Gold Stars no mabo and Bebeni Gold Stars already know omunya 3 points no. Inti Kotoko. Omoje 3 points ni fi Kotoko nsemo. Yes. And until this is the time I was some come again. And omuti boom. Na omohwe eboa. Ema krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no. And so efa omon tumapa and so if na training no corner we you know and I'm who say coach Prosper Nate Ogum and so after all the technical staffs ni nyina or technical team ni nyina and I'm also ehia edidi nkomo obi didi nkomo ne we you know and omo kwahia Akwasi Apia and coach and din the technical director Malik Jabel omo ekwahia and na omo di kan edidi nkomo or training grounds. On we dim common way, you know, and we na players, no, and dear Ohono, or more edit 2 players. We never say winning bonuses. Now her promises be bidden so far. A gusua ecoso, and psychologically they are trying to help the players. I'm a players, no, and some modern bono etimi akonenim. I'm a bibia ayakama. Our Krobio Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the last training session also ahead of many Pando Heart of Lions and so gamer and also Ebe Kosono and a different update Bibia and so at the amount our GH Live Studio and so no a chinano papa made the story way the possible lineup and the squad coach Okum. And so Edibe Ragay with them Edibe Mount or Hamidin, Edit Nanaba Kwame Gracious. We sound so no be here our channel.